fell into me and I didn't know what to do. 'Cause you fell into me and I fell backwards too. But now I know how it feels to fall in love with you. And now I know how it feels, and I hope that you know too. 'Cause I never felt this way about anyone else. When you fell into me, I didn't know what to say. 'Cause you fell into me and you swept me away. And now I know how it feels to have a jelly to my peanut butter. And now I know how it feels to have my heart develop